Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial, where we'll explore the art of seamlessly incorporating your photos into your Canva templates. Understanding how to integrate your own images is a valuable skill, and we'll guide you through it step by step. Let's dive right in. Looking at this design canvas, you'll notice a distinctive rectangle that encompasses hills, skies, and clouds. This unique element on Canva is called a frame, which signifies an editable region ready to clip and frame your photo precisely. Adding your own photo to a frame on Canva is super easy. Here's how to do it. On the sidebar, locate the Uploads option. Choose Upload Files and select the photo you wish to incorporate. Wait for it to complete the upload process. Once it's ready, it's time to add it to your template. Click and drag your image, then hover it over the designated area. You'll notice it seamlessly snapping into place, perfectly fitting into the frame. But what if you desire further adjustments? It's as easy as a double click. This action opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to scale and reposition your image until it aligns flawlessly with your creative vision. With this newfound knowledge, you're poised to elevate your Canva designs with your personal touch. Happy creating, and thanks for joining us. Remember to stay tuned